Okay, right now we are going to proceed with the columns na post and column reinforcement. Okay, the reinforcement of post and column to be considered in this discussion are the main vertical reinforcement, the lateral ties for tied column, and the spiral ties for the circular column. So, this discussion, the columns has two reinforcements. We have the main bars and the lateral ties. And then lateral ties if tied column and spiral ties for circular column. So we have here actually this is somewhat a detail for the column. So nine column, and then there are the reinforcement, then it has its ties. Okay. Um, the quantity and length of the main reinforcement is determined by DCM, no, or the direct counting method. And of course, i-add po gyapon ang we also consider the lap joints no of end splices, the splice length, the bending and hook, and additional length for beam depth or thickness. Pero para mas dali na ito masabtan, let's have our first example. So here we have a figure and then ingon niya list down the main reinforcement from the footing to the second floor using 20 mm if there are 10 columns in the plan. So take note of the given, no? Main bars daw ko no is 20 mm and then there are also 10 columns. It is very important with the analysis of the problem that we are going to somehow at least list what are the given items and then what is being asked. Isa pa, now if you are going to look at the drawing, ang main bars has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 8 kabuok nga one main bar. So, sa ato pa, this, actually, we can write that as 8 ka 20 mm diameter. No, as being shown here. So, yung mo lang gibuhaton yun dani, when you quantify, tanaw na dyan ang plan. Aron mas dali siya. No? And what else? So, sa pa may atong i-consider for the quantity. We have 20 mm diameter, 10 columns, and yeah, wala pa ties for this one. So, take note that ang gipangita pa lang diri is the main reinforcement. And we are going to calculate the lateral ties later. So let's list down na tayo, no? First is we are going to to determine rather the length of one main bar. Okay, length lang of one main bar per column. Isa lang sa since 8 man ni diri times 8 ra din nato. Ana na siya. So the length of one bar is equal to amon ta magsugod. Pwede ka from top to bottom or bottom pasaka. So diri sa ubos na ay bend nga gipakita no. So na may bend dira so apilo nimo. Pila ang bend? 0.2 meters. So sa isa ka kuan bar we have 0.2 meter nga bend. Ako sorry, butang numbers na lang ako butang no para maigo sa space. We have 0.2 plus we have the height here no from the foundation up to the ground floor line that is 1.2 meters plus the ground floor line up to this point that is 3.5 meters plus the depth of the beam no so right beam and then yung depth is 0.5 meters so plus 0.5 meters and plus so napa man ni diri no lahos man na siya gikan sa ubos paingon sa ibabaw so pila man ni siya slab thickness is 0.15 meters so nara gyud na tanan dira sa plan so imo lang gyud na siya tan-awon plus anything remaining din sa ibabaw, no? That is at 0.4 meters na dowel for the second floor na bars. Overall, that is equal to 5.95 meters. Take note that this is per main bar. Per main bar. Now karon pagtanaw pa lang dahil nimo daan sa kuano sa length, that is already 5.95 meters. So, this is already approximately 6 meters. So, diha pa lang daan, pwede na ka maingon nga ay, let's use 6 meters long bar for this example or for this column. So sa usa ka kuan, sa usa ka column na ay 8 ka bars. Sa ato pa na 8 ka bars per column. Unya kay overall na may 10 ka columns. So sa ipasabutan ni. So we need 80 ka bars. So sa man 80 ka bars, sir? So we are going to order 80 pieces of 20 millimeter diameter bar by 6 meters. So yung rin siya kadali no pag-estimate. So imo lang tan-awon. The height of the column is already almost 6 meters. So dili na ka magkatong i-divide pa nimo sa cut bars etc. Pwede gyapon nga inganaon nimo no. Pwede gyapon ka mag at nga to gyapon nga process no. For example, na may 8 ka bars sa usa ka column and 5.95 meters man din per bars. So na kay makuha nga 47.6 meters kada column. Pwede gyapon na inganaon nimo and then na may 10 ka columns, i-multiply nimo ang 47.6 meters. So overall total length of CHB, bar imong gamiton is 476 meters. And then kanina si 476 meters, i-divide nimo kang 6 meters, makakuha ka og 79.3333 or approximately kinahanglan kag 80 pieces of 20 mm diameter bar. So kay mo nga naon mi sa taas na kaayo no murag daghan pa kay kaagian nga solusyon. So diri pa lang daan no by kuan pagtan-aw pa lang nimo dan pagtan-aw nimo nga uy almost 6 meters. Nasa sato pa ibutan na nato di ay nga sa usa ka main bar kinahanglan taog usa ka 6 meter long nga bar. And then sa usa ka column na may 8 ka main bars ato pa 8 ka 6 meter length kada column and then times 10 ka columns we have then that katong 80 kabuok 80 pieces no of 20 mm bars diameter bar nga 6 meters ang iyaang